So this is what I put up in my shop, and it's right there. And you notice that I've got a blue hose coming in. It's got the quick release fitting there, and it's got this set up way up there. So there's like 4 feet of hose hanging out. And I did that on purpose because that beam you see that it's attached to is 12 feet off of the floor. And to give you some perspective, there's my ceiling fan up there. Anyway, 12 feet off the floor. So it's not exactly convenient to reach way up and grab it. So I've got it down here where I can reach out and grab it low and pull it loose. And I can reach all 4 corners of my shop. Well, I can get within 2 feet of that corner back there, okay? Which it hardly ever will go back there anyway. Super convenient. Use it for all my air fittings, all my air tools, all of that stuff. And I'm just really glad I did that. And this is the Central Pneumatic 25-foot retractable hose reel. And of course I bought it at Harbor Freight, and I'm just really glad I added it to my shop. There was one complaint that I had when I got it, and that was that fitting where the red hose comes into that swivel fitting. It wasn't in there very tight. And so when I hooked up air to it, it leaked pretty bad the first time. And then after I worked on it a little bit, took the hose out of the reel basically and put some Teflon tape on it and screwed it back in, got it good and tight. Then I put it back together and everything was fine. But that was a bit of a hassle, 12 feet in the air to work on that. Anyway, pretty happy with it, and thrilled that I got it because it's kind of a lifesaver. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel. Happy to have you. Thank you. And like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye.